Today we'll be doing a live tutorial of Figaro Crowns, the innovative pediatric fiberglass dental crowns. Our first step is size pre-selection. Figaro crowns come in a range of extra small to extra large. All Figaro crowns are biocompatible, all white, metal-free, and BPA-free. In step 2, we'll be using a donut or diamond burr here to begin prepping the tooth. We are looking to achieve a 1 to 2 millimeter overall reduction. Next, we'll take a medium grit plain diamond burr and begin prepping the interproximal, being careful not to touch the neighboring teeth. Some would prefer an initial interproximal reduction with a small carbide burr. We'll then follow with the buccal and lingual surfaces. We'll then make a small bevel and round out any unsupported angles. Here we'll finish preparation by chasing the cavities. Now that the preparation is complete, we move on to step 3. Set the crown for a fitting and then check the bite. We are the only white crown in the market that you can and should check the occlusion prior to delivery. That's what kids do right away. They end up biting in the wrong position without saying anything, and Figaro crowns are the only white crowns in the market that can withstand that offset bite when delivering a crown prior to having the cement cured. So again, that has a nice flow. We can and we should be pursuing more of the cosmetics. Figaro Crowns is the only crown in the market that allows a touch-up with a polishing burr or disc to enhance cosmetics and or occlusion goals. We will be using a little polished burr. This is a 7901 to address small touch-ups for cosmetics or bite adjustment purpose. Here we will begin making adjustments for better cosmetics. And now we can see we have a really nice occlusion. Once again, we are the only crowns you can check and should check the occlusion beforehand. Now that we are satisfied with the fit and bite, we will remove the Figaro crowns so they can be prepped for the final step. Here we're mixing the cement and then loading the crown the exact same way you would any stainless steel crown. We'll place it on the tooth and wipe away any excess. And then you can use a bite stick if you'd like for a nice adaptation. Now our Figaro crown is delivered. We're ready to floss. And now we're done. You can see it has a nice natural blend with a great matching color. Here you can see we have a nice occlusion and great coverage. Figaro Crowns, the strongest, the prettiest, the best value.